story of the Milky Way galaxy, a magnificent spiral of stars. A magnificent spiral of stars. Dust and gas is a cosmic masterpiece that stretches across approximately 100,000 light-years. Envision a vast disk, swirling with billions of stars, all bound together by the invisible threads of gravity. This awe-inspiring galaxy is home to our solar system, nestled within one of its spiral arms known as the Orion Arm, teeming with cosmic wonders waiting to be discovered. Originating around 13.6 billion years ago, the Milky Way's birth was a monumental event, driven by the gravitational collapse of matter in the early universe. Picture colossal clouds of hydrogen gas compressing, igniting the fire of stellar births. Over eons, these luminous stars would live and die, scattering heavier elements across space, enriching the galactic medium, and giving rise to new stars, planets, and possibly life itself. As you gaze at the night sky, each twinkling star belongs to this grand galaxy. Some of the brightest stars, like Sirius and Vega, are mere neighbors within our galactic vicinity. In contrast, the center of the Milky Way, obscured by cosmic dust, houses a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A. Imagine this enigmatic entity, millions of times more massive than our Sun, exerting a tremendous gravitational pull that shapes the orbit of nearby stars in a cosmic ballet. The Milky Way is not merely a collection of stars, it's a bustling metropolis of stellar nurseries, where new stars are born, and supernova remnants, where massive stars end their lives in spectacular explosions. Nebulae, colorful and ethereal, float through this celestial landscape, mesmerizing all who dare to look. The Orion Nebula, a stunning cradle of stellar activity, invites exploration, revealing the intricate processes involved in star formation. As we traverse this galactic home, we encounter globular clusters, dense collections of ancient stars, each a relic from a bygone era. These clusters tell the tale of our galaxy's evolution, potential collisions with neighboring galaxies, and the expansive dance of cosmic destiny. The Milky Way is a dynamic entity, capable of consuming smaller galaxies and evolving through cosmic encounters. Picture a grand tapestry, woven from the threads of countless stellar stories. In conclusion, the Milky Way galaxy is not only our cosmic home, but also a testament to the wonders of the universe. Its vastness beckons astronomers and dreamers alike, inviting us to explore the depths of space and time. As endless as the stars that rise and set in our skies, the mysteries of the Milky Way continue to unfold, urging humanity to delve deeper and understand our place in this beautiful, intricate cosmos. Thank you for watching. Intricate Cosmos. Thank you for watching.